today when the internet space is dominating our thought process. How do you read this space? I see one internet stock in your top 15, which is Zomato. Is this a space where you see long-term wealth being created from present levels?
So again, some of the new age technology companies, okay, which came into the market say around say 3 years back, right? We saw a couple of them now coming into the listed space. I think we believe that okay, this is a space. Okay, these are companies which are high growth companies. These are companies which are disruptors. Okay, in that space, and obviously there is high risk associated with these companies because the numbers there, okay, are still kind of emerging, right? But I
Yes.
think clearly, I think India offers an opportunity, right, in the internet and the technology space because I think adoption of technology in India has been very strong. Okay, we have the enabling network, and post COVID, we have seen that traction. So I think in this space, when we look to invest, we look at companies which have a very strong kind of a moat and have got unit economics in place, right? At the unit level, they are making profits and they have established their leadership, right? Because normally in this space, I think if you're fighting for market share, then nobody makes money, right? So when fairly, I think the leadership has been established, unit economics are in place. I think that's when I think we would want to enter into that. And obviously, the overall TAM, the target market opportunity should be very large so that the runway for growth remains very long, right? At least a 10, 20 years or so. And that's the filter through which we look at some of these new age technology names and I think we build confidence, right? In those we increase our exposure. So initially we would have taken a small exposure in such names, say around 0.5%. Then over a period of time, as the company is delivered and we get more visibility in terms of the cash flows and profits, we tend to increase. But clearly, I think India is a space which is a growth market. There are disruptors, and if we're able to identify these companies, can really create differentiated returns in one's portfolio.